In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Spacedesk on Windows 10 or Windows 11. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Spacedesk allows you to use your Windows PC as a main display and mirror or extend it to other devices like tablets or phones. Let's get started. What you'll need: a Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. This will be your main computer running the Spacedesk driver. A secondary device such as iPad or iPhone, Android tablet or phone, Amazon Fire Tablet, any device with a web browser. Step 1. Download Spacedesk driver on your Windows PC. Visit the official Spacedesk website, spacedesk.net. Click on the download option at the top right of the page. Download and install the Spacedesk driver on your Windows PC. This is the primary software that runs on your main computer. Step 2. Download Spacedesk Viewer on your secondary device. On your secondary device, go to the appropriate App Store: iOS, Apple App Store; Android, Google Play Store; Amazon, Amazon Apps. Search for Spacedesk Viewer and download the app. Step 2. Configure the Spacedesk driver. Once the driver is installed on your Windows PC, open it. You'll see the Spacedesk console. Here's what to do. Enable the driver. Make sure the driver is enabled. You should see a status indicator showing it's active. Choose your connection method. The main way to connect your devices is through a Wi-Fi network. Click on Communication Interfaces and ensure that Local Area Network is enabled. This allows the devices to connect as long as they are on the same Wi-Fi network. If you prefer a wired connection, you can also enable USB cable options for Android or iOS devices. Note that enabling Android USB mode may temporarily disable other USB functions like file transfer, so read the warnings carefully. Step 3. Connect your devices. Option A. Wi-Fi connection. Make sure both your Windows PC and your secondary device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the Spacedesk Viewer app on your secondary device. Your Windows PC should appear in the list of available devices. Tap on it to begin sharing. Option B. USB connection. Connect your secondary device to your Windows PC using a compatible USB cable. In the Spacedesk Viewer app, tap the USB icon to initiate the connection. Step 4. Configure your display settings. Once connected, your secondary device will display your Windows screen. By default, it may be set to mirror your main display. To change this, quick method: press Windows key plus P on your keyboard. This opens the projection menu where you can quickly choose between PC screen only, duplicate mirror, extend, second screen only. Detailed method: right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. Scroll down to Multiple Displays. Choose Extend these displays from the drop-down menu. You can also drag and position the virtual monitors to match your physical setup. Step 5. Enjoy your extended display. Your secondary device is now functioning as an additional monitor. You can drag windows, apps, and tools between screens just like with a traditional dual monitor setup. That's how you can use Spacedesk on Windows 10 or Windows 11 to extend or mirror your display to another device. It's a simple, versatile solution for expanding your workspace. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to the channel. According to our analytics, 83% of viewers watching our videos aren't subscribed yet. By subscribing, you help us create higher quality content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.